Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Technical Masterclass. Today we will talk about the unboxing of ES25.6V 100LP and 230LP wall mount batteries. Now I am going to unbox the battery. So first of all we have to cut the tape of the battery. Now I am going to open the box of the battery. The battery gets opened and we have to remove the EP foam which is connected on the top side of the battery for safe transportation. Now I will put all the accessories aside first. With the help of one person, battery have to be taken out from the carton box. Now you can see the complete battery. It is completely shrink wrapped for safe packaging. Let's unwrap the battery. With the help of cutter, the battery have to be unwrapped. Now the battery is unwrapped. We will talk about the accessories which is in the box. On the top of the EP foam, you will find the mounting brackets in a wrapped foam like this. These are the mounting brackets which are placed on the EP foam and these will be used for mounting the battery. Along with the mounting brackets, we will find the user manual, RJ45 cable, the power cables for connection between inverter and battery. Here you can see the fit and finish of the battery. It is of top-notch quality. You can see the main display of the battery with Eastman branding in the front of the battery along with the series and the model number mentioned on the front of battery. Now coming to the bottom side of the battery, you will find positive and negative terminal along with various ports and ADS switch. So we will discuss this in brief. This is our on-off switch. So once we press the on-off switch, the battery get on and the LEDs get activated. So here you will find the power LED. This is our reset switch. It will be used when there is some issue and battery needs to be reset. This is the ADS switch which comes into action when batteries will be connected in parallel connection for giving them an individual address. This is the alarm indicator and this is the run indicator. The run indicator will flash in up to 3 seconds. When there is a constant issue, when battery encountered abnormal condition, the alarm get activated and you will find a red color indicator here. These are the SOC indicators which will define the state of charge of the battery. Here you can find RS485 port and CAN port for the communication between the inverter and battery. This is our RS232 port. These two ports will come into action when the battery will be connected in parallel connection. These ports are called as the parallel ports. This is a warning sticker which educates regarding electric shock. Here you can see the negative and positive terminals which will be used when battery will be connected with inverter or in parallel connections. Now coming to the touch display, here you can see the battery SOC, the battery voltage, the number of battery connected in the parallel. As the battery is not connected with any inverter, so it is in an idle state. That's why the charging ampere is 0. Here you can see the minimum and maximum voltage between the cells. Now coming to the 4 icons which are at the bottom side of the screen. First of all, this icon is the parallel information page from where we can see the number of batteries connected in parallel. Right now there is only one battery. So for particular battery you will see the voltage of that individual battery. For that individual battery you can see the cell voltages here. As it is 25.6V battery, it is having 8 cells and all 8 cell voltage are seen here. This is the back button. The second icon is the protocol page. Here you can see our default protocol is pylon. If someone want to change the protocol, it can be changed from here as per the requirement of inverter. And if you want to change the protocol, you have to log in first. The rightmost icon at the bottom side is the login page. For login, you will have to set password as 666 888. Once you logged in, you will find this page. Now you can set the protocol as per your requirement. I am setting grow watt protocol. I will press right. You will see succeed. Now the protocol set to grow watt from the default protocol pylon. Here you can see the charging voltage, charge current, discharge voltage and discharge current. Going back to the main menu, the third icon, you will find the setting page. Here you can set the setting as per your requirement. And here the sleep time mentioned, it will be set as per the need of the customer. On the host software, we can monitor the running parameters of the battery. Thanks for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman